Hi guys again. I don't know why that did that, but okay, let's try. Okay, let's open this. Or click the notification bell if you like my channel. Okay, so let's open this and subscribe to my channel. I got the tape on. Let me get this out. I need this tape out.
I gotta figure out where I'm gonna keep new Barry safe until I am ready. Where I'm gonna build my nest. If I build him a nest around here, he should stay around here. Then I can breed a bunch of bees from that. So if I build him a nest like
oh, there I'm tape.
if I build him a nest right here, so they control my melon farm and keep it safe. Go find your nest. He's just over there, mate. There he is, my bee. New Barry. Alright boys, we successfully got ourselves a bee home. Hopefully he grows up into a big strong bee. New Barry is so big now. You are so big, Barry. I must go get Barry a mate. I do not have myself.
Okay guys, I got it.
Unless I have multiple bees. Yeah,
I just got it. Okay. Here we got everything. We got some sands and like molds and like stuff like this. And that's it, I guess. Okay, let's get started. Let's just open all the material. I'm gonna go get wait, actually no, I don't need to cut it. There guys, I did it. I got all the stuff out. There we go, okay. So we have like sand. We have this, we have like rubber bands. Okay, we have molds. We have paint. We have this, which I don't know what it is. Okay, let's get started. So, I think we're supposed to build this like this. So I'm gonna start building, I don't know why we have to do this. Maybe it's like this, I swear, I think it's like this. Whoa, this is so cool. Here, come on, open. One there, okay. Come on. Whoa, come on. There, Eli, I made the volcano. Okay, guys, I made the volcano, as you can see. Okay, let's get started. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know what to do, so let me look on There's no instructions. How do I do this? Here.
No skull. Oh, here we go. We got more. Come on. Give me a skull. Give me a skull. No, a skull.
Okay, I got this. Okay, let's see.
Give me skull. Give me skull.
Okay. Stickers. Okay. We have stickers, I guess. Introductions. On. Your working surface is flat. Cover it with dino foil or mixing and molding. Okay, I already did that. Okay, now I need a. What? Yes. Okay. So guys, it looks like I have to put like, I don't know. It's really hard. I'm gonna ask someone to help me. Okay, so let's.
So we've got to come in here and make some potions, right? Look at that. They are now extra strength. Now we add some gunpowder and they'll become splash potions. Throw them on the bees.
Okay, guys. I'm back.
So unlike most YouTubers, when they do
Please,
something,
my brother doesn't want to help
we're on a
me.
multiplayer server, so I can't actually save. So I've got Alex here in case things get too broken. So, you know, if he kills all the bees,
Okay,
it starts
let's
breaking
get.
now, and we'll have Alex like saving that. Alright, bees.
I already did my move.
Ready to get splashed? I'm gonna make you super
I think you're supposed to build the stand with like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna go get scissors, right?
I'm getting out. Good luck, bees. Good luck down there, bees. I believe in you. Please don't let all my bees just die immediately. They're over here. Get him, bees. Oh my God. Get him. Okay, he's out. Get him, bees. Okay, this is bad. The wither escaping is not good. Get him, bees. Get him. Get swallowed. They're doing damage. They're getting you good. I'm gonna help them a little bit. I'm gonna kill the wither. I did it once in creative in episode 2, but now we'll do it for real. Get him.
Please, okay.
Yeah, so the thing is, once the bees start
I didn't find it.
die, yeah, my bees are mostly dead.
I need help on this.
Now the wither is starting to do some serious damage. I'm gonna have to finish this wither.
See my hand?
Come on, I will protect my base with my life. Get away from me.
Okay, how do I do this?
So after you get half health, he's immune to those.
I don't know what this is for.
All my bees.
Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna open the stand and do it.
He's almost dead.
I don't know. Really no.
He's dead.
Let's see. How do I open this?
And my polar bear.
Come on, I need scissors. How do I open this?
What worse? I don't get the achievement.
Good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Not working. Come on.
You messed up now, mate. There's like a bunch of bees attacking an allergic child. Yeah, boys, this is me, obviously creative. On a single player server. I'm not trying to protect
How do I do this?
He's struggling. He's almost
I really need help.
Get him, boys. Yes, he's dead. Good job, bees. Yes. Do you like Shaz? Alright, so we actually killed the wither legit for once. Bees can be very powerful. They still go into like half health before they all tragically die. Don't forget code later in the Minecraft and Fortnite item shops. This took me 3 days to film such big eats. I've beaten both of Minecraft's bosses. I am a god. I am a god. Yeah, welcome back to Minecraft, boys. I'm just chilling with my dudes of the year, man. These guys just keep populating. I don't know how I got last one. I want to show you guys something. G'day, welcome back to Fortnite. So I've got another lazy bean dumb crap compilation for you. Pretty much everything stupid I did over the course of the last week. Main thing being the update. They added like a Borderlands area. I know obviously the graphics are crazy, all cell shaded and stuff. They also essentially destroyed building. I don't know how to build, so I don't really care. All the pro players seem pretty mad. They also added shield bubbles, and we got some memes with those, don't worry. Don't forget about me, alright? Make sure you're still using code laser in the